Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Raraffe school websites, and this website accommodates so many features. In this website, you can actually access uh, content on biochemistry, physics, biology, mathematics, microbiology, physiology, in fact, even pharmacology. So this website is a website where it will make your learning and the teaching system much more easier, where as a student you can actually go to the website, select your course of interest, and then to register with the course. And we have so many features in the website, which include the website can accommodate videos, it can accommodate text, it can accommodate PDF, it can accommodate quiz, and so many other features. So let's actually go and we'll see how we are going to operate the website. So the name of the website is, look at it here, is the Refi, is the is already there, is the Refi, sch.com.ng. So once you search this name on your browser, then you click. So it will take you to this page. It will take you to this page. So when it takes you to this page, you can click here to browse tutorial, or you can click here to sign off. So you click on sign off. So when you click on sign off, it will bring you here. It will bring you here. So when it brings you here, you input your names. Like for example, let's say my name is Mukhtar. So my name is Mukhtar. Then that is my first name. Should start with capital letter Mukhtar. Then Aliyu here. Then username, the name that you want it to be appear on your dashboard after registration. So you can actually use, maybe let me just use let me just say ABU. I want a username to be ABU. Let me write it in capital letter. ABU, just like this. And then I should write also email address. Let me use this email address. Let me use the refivtu@gmail.com as the email that I'm going to use here. And then my password, I should select password. Let me just say my password. Let me say let me just say U12 BC 1125. Registration, the graduate registration number. This one also, you need to write it and confirm. So U12 BC 1125. After you do that, then when it match, then you now click on this. You see, sorry, the username already exists. So it's because I already registered with the website. So let me just use maybe let me just use Dararafi VTU. Dararafi VTU. Let me see. It will work. So you see, I now registered successfully. You see here, I registered as a student, and you can also register as an instructor. So because you are a student, so you register as a student. So you see here, enroll courses. I have 0 courses that I enroll, then active courses 0, also complete courses 0. So when you enroll in a particular courses, as we upload the content of the courses, then you will actually be updated. And of course, this is where you have your profile. This is where you have questions and answers. This is the reviews. This is my quiz attempt. So if I uploaded quiz in the website, you can be able to attempt it and you will see your performance. in each and every topic that we are going to cover. So this is how the website looks like. So you see, you have courses here, you have dashboards here, you have contact us and many other features here. So now, because you didn't enroll in any course, then so the next thing that you are going to do is, of course, you can actually go back here and click on the courses here. So I have the courses here. So you can click on courses here. When you click on the courses, so you see, I have, this is metabolism of macromolecules. So like in this course, the amount or the payment here is just 2016 people have enrolled. And this is chemistry. And this one is the tutor for this course is the VSCH, which is actually me as the administrator. And this is Yusuf Abdullahi and one of my instructor. And of course, this is chemistry and 3 students have registered. And the amount here or the payment is 750. And for, of course, 200 level course chemistry of macromolecules, then this is where you are going to click. Like for example, the payment here is 1,000, so you can click. But before you click, you can even decide to say, okay, you wanted to check what are there in the course first, maybe from the introductory part. So this is the introductory part of the course. Maybe you can start from here, look at it. So we started with the definition of biochemistry is the study of chemical processes within living organisms. And then this is, of course, the biochemistry here is trying to understand life using molecules, and most of the molecules of life here are proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. So these are the molecules that are used in studying life in biochemistry. And of course, this is a video on the website, so you can play the video. You can play the video on the website. So this is how it is. You can play the video. So after you watch the video, yeah, you can still go down here. These are the branches of biochemistry, structural biology, and metabolic biochemistry. So this is just a brief, this is also a video on the brief introduction of the concept of structural biology. So we have it here, which is one of the branch of biochemistry. So you can also you can play, so, play the video, the branch of it deals with the study of 3D structure of the molecules. So you can play it and you can watch all the videos. So we touch the video and we have texts here. You see, this is the metabolic biochemistry, which is another branch of biochemistry. We have linear pathway under the metabolic biochemistry. We have cyclic biochemical pathway. We have spiral biochemical pathway. So all this, and these are the applications of biochemistry. It's actually important in medicine, in biotechnology, agriculture, forensic, and so many other features. So this is actually one is actually a discovery for the scientists that make discovery. Like here, Emil Fisher is actually a Nobel Prize winner, which actually the first scientist that was able to discover the sugar metabolism, that is carbohydrate metabolism. And then also this one is the DNA structure. That is what Southern Creek, they are the scientists that was able to discover the DNA. So this is actually some of the content that are here. So you see, this one is macromolecules, and this one is also further discussion on the branches of biochemistry. So therefore, you see here there is a padlock. Here there are padlocks. So because you didn't make payment, so this is the only thing that you are going to see here as the introductory part, but you cannot see other component of the course, which include macromolecules and the branches of biochemistry. So now, how do you get access to these ones? So you need to make payment. You need to make payment, and this is how to make the payment. How do you make the payment? You click on these add to carts. So first we click on add to cart. So after you click on add to cart, then you now click on view carts. View carts. So after you click on this, then add to cart, view to cart, then you see that here the total amount that we are going to pay for that cost is 1,000. Then you click proceed to check out. Proceed to check out. Click on proceed to check out. After you click on proceed to check out, this is where it is going to take you. So you have to actually include your billing details, and that will actually give us an idea of actually the person that register. So here you need to write your first name. So my first name is Mukhtar, and then the last name is Aliyu. So company name, if you have, but it's optional. And country, of course, you need to write your country. So this is your country, and then the street address. So you need to write your street address. So my street address is number 2 Angwamaji Dadi. So I have to write it. So street. So this is my second address. So just after you include all your address, so the next thing is to make payment. So you click on debit/credit card. So you click on that. Then you also save the account. Then you click on this. Click on place order. After clicking on place order, it will give you so many options of the payment. You see, this is a transfer. So if you want to transfer, you can use this bank account, you copy it, then you go to your bank, and then you now search for Paystack Titan, and then you make the payment. So once you make the payment, it will now, after you make the payment, then it will show you that I have sent the money, then you click on it. So that means that you complete your order. Or in other way, you can use, maybe you can decide to say, okay, you want to use card. So if it's card you want to use, you can use your ATM. You input all the your card number, the expiry date. You also include the CVV, and then you place order. Or you can use bank. So you can just here select search for your bank. If it is EcoBank, click, put your account number. Then after you put your account number, then they will send you OTP, then you include it, and the money will be deducted. You can also decide to say, okay, you want to use VSST. So if you want to use VSST, you also come here, and then you make your payment. You see, you click on star 763, this, and this, then you now complete your payment. You can use Visa, QR, this one. You can use this one to make the payment. You can use OPay to authenticate. So all these are the payment method. So once you make the payment, then it will show you that you are completely enrolled in the course. And of course, all those padlocks will be removed. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the new website, and I know that if it will be really of help to you, so try to utilize this opportunity and register, because very soon I'm going to change it to dollar, because it is an international website where so many other people from other part of the world will be registered. Thank you. God bless you.